Okay, the first thing I want you to do is open up Google Chrome, make it full screen, go to your apps, and open Docs. Open up a blank document. First thing I want you to do is title it. Put in types of computers. All right. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to go and set our margins. We're going to create a poster. So our default margins are 1 inch, which is great for Word documents, but when we're doing a poster, we want to give ourselves a little more working room. And so I'm going to change each margin, top, bottom, left, and right, to 0.5, which is ½ inch, and then click OK. All right, we're going to be creating a drawing for each vocabulary word. So once you go to the Insert tab, go down to Drawing and click on New. All right, here are your tools. We're going to start with the shapes. We're going to insert a rectangle. You're going to put your crosshairs right here in the top left-hand corner and go out to 4 and down to 3. We're going to make this a 4-inch by 3-inch square to work with. Any shape that you put in Google is going to be a light blue. That is the default color. Once we put that shape in, you'll notice we have more tools that have opened up. First thing we want to do is change our fill color and make it a purple square. Then the next thing we're going to do is insert a text box. So I'm going to click and drag a box for the title, which is the nameplate. Notice that my cursor is only about half the size of the height of my box. What I want to do is go over here, and your font size may be right here, or it may be under More. And since it's about 14 and that's about half the box, I'm going to double that, so that's about 30. And so I'm going to make it size 30, and you'll notice now my cursor is the same height as the box, which is going to mean that my letters are going to be that height. Hit your caps lock button and type computer. All right, the next thing we want to do is go in and change the alignment. We want it to be center aligned. All right, and we're going to triple click on computer and to select it all, and then we're going to change our text color to white. All right, then click off to the side to deselect everything. Next thing we're going to do is put an image in here. So click on Image. All the way to the right, click on Search, and then type in the word computer. We're going to select the first picture. Make sure you don't put an S on that or you will not get these pictures. All right, click Select. Now what we want to do is we want to make this picture smaller because we want it to fit inside our shape. So we're going to put our cursor on the corner and we're going to drag it down to about 1/4 of the size. Then we'll click and drag that picture onto our shape. Now if you have any problems with the shape going or the picture going behind the shape or something like that, just right click on it, go to the order button, and then you can either bring it forward, send it back, whatever you need to do. So remember that order button. Just click on the item you want to move and do order. Okay, now we've got everything we want on there. We're going to click Save and Close. All right, now we have 12 vocabulary words. So we want to fit them all on one page. So that means we probably need to do 3 across and 4 down. In order to get 3 drawings on this page, we're going to have to make this smaller. First thing you want to do anytime you insert a drawing is you click on it and select it and click Wrap Text. This will allow you to put other things up against it without moving everything on your page around. All right, the next thing we're going to do is resize it so that we can get everything we want on here. We're going to take it down to just under 2.5 on your ruler. And now you should be able to insert 11 more images onto this page size. If you can't fit them all on there, just go back and readjust your size a little. When you are finished, with your 12 vocabulary words with pictures, submit it on Classroom, and turn it in.